ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, students. We are dealing with pair of linear equations in 2 variables for class 10 mathematics syllabus for the forthcoming examinations in Telangana state and AP state. You can prepare well with the help of these video classes. So, I have already given you some briefing about the pair of linear equations in my previous lecture. Now, we are going to see some problems. Comparing the ratios A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, state whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, or they are parallel, or they are coincident. There are 3 problems given. First problem is A, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. And second set of lines is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Next, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. This is C. What is the question given? State whether the 2 lines are, state whether they are intersecting or parallel or coincident. You are given 3 pairs of lines and you have to find out whether they are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. 4 mark question. Individually if they give, they may give it for each question for 2 mark question. Now, let me do the first problem. What is A1 by A2? 5 by 7. First look at the 2 equations and write them in the general form. What is general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You must write that in the general form only. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is also Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is A1? 5. A2 7. 5 by 7. What is B1 by B2? Minus 4 by 6. It is minus 2 by 3. These 2, are they equal? No, they are not equal. They are unequal. If they are equal, you proceed further for the condition C1 by C2. here not required. Because they are unequal, you can conclude here itself. They are unequal. They are, therefore, they are intersecting lines. This is the answer, intersecting lines. You can look at the equation, coefficients, and directly say that. If it is asked for 2 marks, you must write this and then proceed further. Next, B bit. What is the solution for this? What is A1 by A2? 9 by 18, which is 1 by 2. What is B1 by B2? 3 by 6. Is it 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2? Yes, they are equal. Then you can say here they are equal. When they are equal, you have to see for one more case. What is the other case? Is C1 by C2 the same as the previous one or not? Find out. What is C1 by C2? 12 by 24. It is also 1 by 2. Therefore, you can say that they are coincident. They are coincident lines. Whenever A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, you must check up whether they are coincident or not for this condition. If this condition is satisfied, you can say that they are coincident lines. Next, suppose if C1 by C2 is not equal to the previous one, then how do you conclude? They are parallel lines. Next, what is the solution for this? A1 by A2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, which is 3. Therefore, they are equal. And what about C1 by C2? 10 by 9. Is 3 equal to 10 by 9? No. Then what can you say? Is not equal to 3. Or you can say not equal to A1 by A2 or not equal to B1 by B2. It is neither equal to A1 by A2 nor equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, they are only these two are equal means what do you say? Parallel lines. All of you take down this problem. I will explain the same problem once again. Just copy down the same. I will explain it. Just write down this. I will explain the same in a minute. First take A, B, C. 3 problems are there. All the 3 problems must be copied as it is. Look at the first equations. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are unequal. They are intersecting lines. How to draw the figure for this kind of lines? Lines are like this. They are intersecting lines. For the next problem, A1 by A2 equal to 1 by 2, B1 by B2 equal to 1 by 2, C1 by C2 equal to 1 by 2. If you want, you can highlight this also. Highlight this 2, 3. They are 3 are equal. Therefore, they are coincident lines. Only same line, coincident lines. That is the figure. A1 by A2 is equal to 3, B1 by B2 is equal to 3, but not equal to C1 by C2. These two are equal, this is different. They are parallel lines. This is the figure for parallel lines. Have you understood this? I hope you enjoyed learning these 3 different cases. Now, I am going to deal with one word example. You must be very careful in understanding the word example. I am writing the example here on the board. It is in terms of a word example. Siri bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens for 80 rupees.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Word problem. Siri bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens for rupees 80. Siri bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens. Lakshmi bought 4 notebooks and 3 pens for rupees 110. What is the cost of a notebook and pen? This is the question. What is the cost of notebook and pen? Sometimes they may ask you, what is the cost of, otherwise, what is the cost of 10 notebooks and 5 pens? This is the question. This kind of questions may be given in the examination also. You must be very careful to look at the parameters or variables, and you have to fix up the constants, and you must transform this equation, transform the given word problem into equation. Then you have to solve that and get the answer. How to solve also I will explain. Solution. Notebook. What is the cost of notebook? Is equal to X rupees. We will suppose. Pen is Y rupees. This is supposed. We say this. What is the cost of the notebook? X rupees. What is the cost of the pen? Y rupees. What is given? Given 3 notebooks, 3x plus 2 pens, 2y is equal to 80 rupees. Call it as 1. Next, 4 notebooks, 4x plus 3 pens is equal to 110 rupees. Call it as 2. Are they looking like 2 equations? Think of them as 2 equations, linear variables, linear equations in 2 variables. Yes, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 form. Am I right? So, you have to change them into that form. Then what do you get? 3x plus 2y minus 80 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 110 equal to 0. Call them as 1 and 2 in the general form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 form. You must write that in that form only. Here compare a1 by a2, 3 by 4. What is b1 by b2? 2 by 3. What is c1 by c2? Minus 80 by minus 110. So, which is 8 by 11. Look at these two. 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 8 by 11. Are they equal? No. 3 by 4 is not equal to 2 by 3. That is, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then what do you say? They are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means what? Unique solution. They have unique solution. That means notebook price and pen price is possible in a unique way. So that is what you have to find, what is the cost of a notebook and pen. It is possible to find that, and afterwards we can find this. So first take 3x plus 2y minus 80 equal to 0, 4x plus 3y minus 110 equal to 0. First equation I am multiplying by 3. 3 into 1 gives, first equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into first equation gives what? 3 into 3x 9x plus 3 into 2 6y minus 3 into 80 240 equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Next, second equation is multiplied by 2. What happens? 2 into 4 8x, 2 into 3 6y minus 2 into 110 220 is equal to 0. Now what you have to do is solve it. How to solve? 6y plus 6y, they both get cancelled when you subtract it. 6y and 6y is cancelled. 9x minus 8x is x. 2 minus 240 minus plus 220. So it is minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 20. What is x? Notebook cost. So x value we got. Substitute here 3 into, substitute in 1. What happens? 3 into 20 plus 2y minus 80 equal to 0. 3 into 20 is 60 plus 2y minus 80 equal to 0. 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 10. Therefore, what can you say now? Notebook cost is, notebook is x rupees, rupees 20. What is the cost of the pen? Pen is 10 rupees. This is the answer. What else is asked? There is one more question asked. What is that? What is the cost of 10 notebooks? 10 into 20 plus 5 pens, 5 into 10, that is 200 plus 50, 250 rupees worth you have to buy the other two things. So this is the way you have to answer the question. All of you write down this. I will explain the same problem. This is called word problem, which is very, very important in the examination point of view. Word problems are very, very, very important from the examination point of view. All of you write down that. Siri bought, she purchased 3 notebooks and 2 pens for 80 rupees. And Lakshmi bought 4 notebooks and 3 pens for 110 rupees. What is the cost of each object, each item? That is the question. And there may be sometimes find the cost of 10 notebooks and 5 pens. Put together, what is the cost? In order to do this problem, first suppose that notebook cost is x rupees, pen cost is y rupees. What is the given data? 3 notebooks means 3x rupees, 2 pens 2y rupees. Put together 3x plus 2y is equal to 80 rupees. Next, similarly, what is the second condition? Lakshmi bought what? 4 notebooks and 3 pens. 4 notebooks and 3 pens. Put together, what is the cost? 4x plus 3y is equal to 110 rupees. Substitute the same here. 3x plus 2y is 80, 4x plus 3y equal to 110. Now you have to verify whether they are looking like general forms or not. What is the general form of an equation? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We have written both in the linear equation form. the given equations are written here in general form. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Right side is always 0. Right side 0, right side 0. Then what is a1 by a2? What is b1 by b2? What is c1 by c2? We got the values. Am I right? Then we have to establish that there is a unique solution. For that, they are intersecting lines, hence they have unique solution. Unique solution means answer is possible. Therefore, we got it. Suppose 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y equal to 110 equal, suppose like that. 3 notebooks and 2 pens is 80 rupees, 3 notebooks and 3 pens is 2 pens is again 110 rupees. That means the solution is not possible. So, like that you will get. So, in order to do this, this is called solving. How to solve 1 and 2? Solving 1 and 2, you get x and y values. After you get these two values, you have to write the cost of the notebook, the cost of the pen, and the cost of 10 notebooks and 5 pens. I hope you must have understood this word problem.